going to just run through how to scrape windows, and the goal here is to remove whatever you're trying to remove without scratching the glass. And so there's a few tips on how you do that. Today I'm using the Torre Scrape Master, which is certainly one of my favourite scrapers. It's a really high quality blade, which is really important. It's also a reversible blade. So once I use this side, I can get the screwdriver out, flip it and go again. But I can't stress how important it is to have really good quality blades like these, and to always make sure that you're using new blades, and when they're damaged or blunt or rusty, to get rid of them and put some new ones on there. If you don't, you're going to end up with scratches, and it's absolutely devastating when it's not your glass. So other than that, I'm going to just show you how to remove this tape here. It doesn't matter what you're trying to remove, these things are brilliant at it. But before we do that, just a little safety thing that they do come with a blade holder, and so that's to protect you. So just trust me on this, because I've seen it firsthand. The stitches that these can create, they are super sharp. You don't need to test it, just trust us, they are really sharp, and you need to be very careful. So when you're not using your blade, you want to be putting the cover on before you go and put it in your pocket or put it down. Let's run through how to use it. We'll take the blade holder off, and a nice easy way to remember this technique is to just do 3 easy steps. The first step is to wet the glass. So wet, clean your blade, making sure that there's no rubbish on there, and then working from the outside in, always just scrape in a forward direction, and then release, wet, clean, scrape. So again, wet, clean, scrape. And there, you're all good.